Hi first grade friends, Unit 1 practice. I can read words with blends and digraphs. Let's warm up with our sounds. A apple A. E egg E. I itch I. O octopus A. U up A. CH chin ch. TH thumb SH ship sh. Sound, 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 sound. Take a minute to pause this slide. Practice saying the sounds quickly in any different order. They should be quick, like this. B, E, ch, a, qu, e, sh, g, d, I. You can even have someone at home time you, so that each time you practice, you'll get faster and faster. Now we're going to practice some chaining. So we're going to start with the word. This word says, yes, hand. Now I'm going to change one of the sounds so that the word changes, and we'll practice reading now. So I'm going to change this sound. Which sound did I change? I did. I changed the first sound. And I changed it from h to, yes, b. Now, instead of hand, my word says, yes, band. I'm going to change another sound. This time, what did I change? I changed one of the middle sounds. From a to, yes, ah. My word did say band. Now it says, yes, bond. Which sound am I changing now? Yes, I changed the first sound from b to, yes, p. Now my word is, yes, pond. If I take out a sound, I will just slide this letter over. Instead of pond, now my word is, yes, pod. Oops. Now it says, yes, pot. Now the word is, yes, lot. Now the word is, yes, rot. Which sound am I changing now? Yes, the middle sound. We went from ah to, yes, ah. Now my word is, okay, last time with this chain. The word is now. Awesome. So, we're going to do one more word chain. This time I'm going to start with this word. This word says, yes, zip. And now I'm going to change the first sound to, and the word is, yes, lip. I want to add a blend at the beginning, so I'm just going to slide my letters down. So lip is still there, but I added a sound up at the beginning. Now my word says, yes, flip. Changing a sound. Now my word says, yeah, slip. changing another sound. Now the word says, yes, slap. Changing the sound again. The word now says, yes, slop. Now it says, yes, flop. Changed another sound. It says, yes, flap. Now I'm changing a different sound. This word says, yes, flat. Okay, and last one in this chain, the word says, yes, flag. Okay, let's do one more chain. This time we're going to start with this word. Oops, got to make sure each sound has its own box. Okay, this word says, yes, rib. Now I'm going to change a sound, and the word says, yes, rig. Now the word says, yes, rag. New word says, yes, bag. Now it says, yes, big. Now the word says, yes, bin. Okay, we're going to change another sound, and the word says, yes, pin. Okay, now the word says, yes, pan. Okay, I'm going to insert a letter in the middle there. Okay, now my word says, yes, plan. And then I'm going to add a letter at the end to make the word, yes, plant. Great job chaining.